But I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial, whatever you want to call it. I don't really know. I don't normally put makeup on. This is usually my go-to look, all natural. But anyway, so, wow. I think I need more fruit. First, I'm gonna have a sip of my tea here. Maybe I should close the blinds and like a little dimmer. What do you think? I think that might help. This is me every day. I never wear makeup. I am always wearing the not the same clothes. That's not what I was gonna say. I'm always wearing the same face, au natural. So first things first, I need a mirror. I got the mirror. Okay. I'm not. Oh, this is very, very dusty. This is one reason I don't like using the super zoomed in to your face. This is my natural curly hair. I could pin it off to the side. Maybe I'll do that. We need handy dandy Gimme Brow Benefit. My favorite for my eyebrows, which I'm almost out of. Immaculate. Oh, there it was. Liquid powder. It's by Hourglass. I love it. And my mascara I use is just this basic Falsies or the Colossal. I love the Colossal, but I got this one now and it's waterproof. Hardest thing to take off, I swear. I'm looking for a bobby pin, actually. Bear with me here while I try to find myself a bobby pin. Ooh, I love this stuff. The makeup setting spray that makes the makeup stay longer and it moisturizes your face. Oh, there's some bobby pins. I found them. Now, bobby pin. What does that look like? It looks alright. Looks like I got some cool hairstyle going on. I definitely noticed the older you're getting, the more hairs you tend to get. So like I get little whiskers. I get hair whiskers on my neck. I get lip hair. And for those of you that have that fuzzy, peach fuzz, what I meant to say, the peach fuzz, that peach fuzz I wish I had. Like, maybe I should grow it out for November. Okay, so we're gonna take off the glasses and you're gonna see my full, beautiful face. My goodness, I have the fireplace on behind me. It's not a real fireplace. It is though, got a hot fan. Got a fan in it that blows out heat, and then the fire looking thing is not a real fire, it's joke. But it, you know, makes you feel like you have a fireplace in your house when you don't actually have one. Why is it taking me so long just to put makeup on? So the first things first is I'm going to, I use, when I put my cover up on, I use a stippling brush, that, because it doesn't add too much. And then I also use the Bare Minimals powdered Nude by Nature, it says, and Sheer Light Illuminator. Makes it like shiny, sparkly on my cheeks or something. So we'll try that out, and maybe we'll put a lipstick on. Yeah, we got a lip liner here. We'll use a lip liner, and I feel like I need to clip my hair in my face because it's like super annoying. This lipstick is like really bright, but it's cream stick. I don't. Oh! Shows you, I don't put makeup on. I'm tough, it says. I am tough. RealHer. I think maybe we'll use this color. Maybe. I like reds, but I also have a darker tone concealer. Now this is really white for my face, I will say, but because I don't have anything else, we're gonna make it work, okay? So I like to apply this under my eyes to hide, you know, they say dark circles or whatever, but I don't think I really have dark circles, but I like to blend it all and make it look all one. Not maybe. I also like to put it up here because I do get the darker tone from my actual eyelid. Now I'm going to rub it in my eyes if it's not dry. I'm gonna look like a crazy person, but okay. I like working in the dark here. Hopefully I can make everything blend. And it's very dry. Okay, so we got the lightener on the eyes. I think I'm gonna lighten up my forehead because my forehead always tends to be much darker than the rest of my face. So we're just gonna do that. So now I'm putting the foundation on, the Immaculate Hourglass foundation. I just made it into like a flower. Now I'm going to apply the foundation. And I'm just gonna do a couple dabs here, a couple dabs there, dabs up here. I'm gonna take some of this off and apply it on my nose and on my chin. So the one thing I love about this is it gives like full coverage. So I like to dab it and it really hides everything. Like pretty damn good, and it gives me like that airbrushed look. Maybe I'll just add just a little bit more to my hairline. I mean, I tend to bring it down too. I'll bring it down to my neck. And then I'll blend with my neck. I'm going to maybe apply this. I don't really know where you apply it, and I feel like it's too light for my skin. I hate these brushes. They always leave like little fur, like little hairs. Okay, so that kind of, I mean, you can really see where I put it. Didn't really blend, but I will be adding a cover up after. I gave my daughter my contour kit because I don't really know how to operate the contour stuff. I don't like to really put eyeshadow on, but for the sake of this video, maybe I will. Do I know what color? Not a clue. But I will start with this flat pinky color. And we'll put that on my eyelids. The one thing with this is like it doesn't really brush off. It's so hard to get it off of the thing. Okay. That color is done. Oh my goodness. I think I'm gonna use some browns. I'm gonna use this light color for the top part of my eye. Just highlight this area. We're gonna open up this palette. It's the Nude collection. I like this palette. It's cool. It's the cheaper version. I think I got it from the FabFitFun box. Ooh, look at this. There's this like nice black color here. But as you'll see, a lot of the colors I use, oh my gosh, are on this side. I'm not much of a darker tone person. Use the lighter tone. That's what we're gonna be using. I'm going to apply a gold shimmer to the inner part of my, or the middle part of my eye. I'm not the greatest at doing a smoky look, but I always try. And that's all that counts, right? As long as you try, that's all that matters. The left eye is always the hardest to do though, honestly. And what I like to do is go back over top of the white area and just fill it in to make it more white again. The light little dose. I go on the other side, and I'll speed this up. I like to blend it all in. Getting makeup all over my pants. everywhere. Makeup everywhere. So I take this little blender and I blend in here. So I start from the light side here. And I also blend the white down. Now I have to brush away all this stuff. So I take my little fan. I got a couple of them. I got a small one and I got a big fan. And I got a really small. Okay, so I just take this and I go. I brush it off. A light little dust, so you want to get that off. Any remnant. I like to clean up the inside of my eye. My hands feel yucky, like makeup. Ugh. I'm going to brush my eyebrows straight. I'm going to brush out my eyelashes. I know some people find it hard to keep their mouth closed when working on their eyes, like putting mascara on. And I've tried so hard to like perfect it so I wouldn't open my mouth anymore. Sometimes it's like, oh, when I'm not caring. So I think I'm going to use my eyelash curler, my least favorite. So I'll just speed up through this while I curl my eyelash. Okay, so I got those ones out of the way. Now I'm gonna do the same thing to this eye. Oh, my teeth. Whoa. The hair in it. I'm gonna get it out. I decided finally to take the initiative and actually start doing videos while I have the spare time. I definitely used to want to do it more. Back in 2015, I released a video about it was called 50 Facts About Me. And I don't know, it was from an era, a time before I don't even know what I was using for a camera at the time. Because like the audio was perfect, the camera was perfect, it was phenomenal. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on the finishing touches. I'm gonna put on the powder, and then I will fix my eyebrows up, and then we will come right back. Just apply it. It's like just this little tiny thing, and I'm gonna apply it on now, and I'll speed through this as well. Going to apply lip liner. Okay, so lip liner is on. I don't know if everybody like covers their whole entire lip with lip liner, but I do because it helps prevent getting stain, like lipstick stains on my teeth. I'm gonna use the darker color, maybe I'll do a two-tone thing where I put the darker color. Let's try something. We're gonna try this out. I mean, it's not very light. I thought it was a lot lighter, so this one is at least a color stay. Now we're gonna put mascara on. The second to last step here. It's the longest I've ever taken to put makeup on. Who am I kidding? It's not. Okay, and so the mascara just goes on like this. And it goes on and on. My friends, and some people started singing, I'm knowing what. One thing about my eyelashes too is They're all so weird. I think it's because I rub my eyes that they grow in weird. Some of them grow sideways. They don't sit straight. That's a weirdo. Now I just need to fix the eyelid because there's all those black specks. And now for the finishing final touch. Oh, I just threw this in without putting the lid on properly and it went everywhere. Oopsies. Fixer. Magnificent. We let this dry and it sets the makeup in place and to help stop it from coming off really easily. I mean, it still comes off, but it's a setting spray. It also makes your face not feel so tight. You know. Also, remember, don't squeeze your eyes too tight because that's how the makeup gets everywhere else. So it's almost dry, and just with that setting spray, it makes everything just pop. Like, it gives my face life again. It doesn't look so dry and irritated. This is what I look like when I have my makeup on. Will I do a lot of videos with makeup on? Maybe, maybe not. But I will drink my tea. And look at that. No lip stains. I have some like weird curly wooies. So this is the makeup. And above. I have really long lashes. Isn't it amazing? But you can see how well the cover-up, okay. But the cover-up really hides my imperfections on my face. So any scarring that I have, and the other thing with it is that it does help with scarring apparently. If you wear it all the time, it's got like a chemical. It has something in it that helps with scarring and minimizing the look of the appearance of scars over the time of using it. I mean, I don't use it all the time, so, but it does, I love it. It's my favorite cover-up. It's just expensive, but they say to get rid of your makeup every 3 months. I've had that for years because that's how often I wear makeup. And I feel like it's okay. It's not terrible, but I'm sure I'm gonna have a breakout after putting makeup on because every time I wear makeup, I break out. And probably because my skin just like eats the cover up, eats the makeup. So that's all I wanted to share with you today. I wanted to try and make myself look super pretty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be sure to upload some more videos. Bye guys.